Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to remove a repost on TikTok. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Afterwards, just simply open your TikTok app and then go to the video that you want to remove from repost. So for example, I have reposted this video. I just simply click on the share button and then click on remove repost right here. So what is the purpose of repost? So reposting can help in boosting this video, for example, and let your friends see this video on their page or on their feed. So unlike Twitter, where you can retweet tweets or videos or media, it will appear on your profile. But on TikTok, when you repost something, for example, I'll just repost this one, and then I'll go to my profile. I may not be able to see it right here. Instead, my friends will only see this reposted video on their feed. So again, just a recap, if you want to repost a video or remove it from repost, you just simply click on the share button and then click on repost or remove repost. Then as you can see, a pop-up will appear which says this post has been reposted or has been removed from repost. So that's it. That's how you can remove a repost on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.